Most creators think YouTube monetization is only about subscribers and watch hours. But in reality, YouTube has technical content and other requirements that has to be met. Missing one of those requirements can delay or even prevent you from getting monetized at all. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down every requirement that you need to meet before you apply for monetization. Now let's talk about the basic requirements, which is non-negotiable. That is going into making sure that your channel is following all the YouTube monetization policies. You are following all their guidelines and rules. That is not negotiable. All right, so this is going into not having any strike on your channel, not having reused content issues, and not having any copyright issues and other YouTube guidelines and rules that we all need to follow in order to qualify for monetization. Now let's talk about account and security requirements that most creators ignore. This is very easy for new creators to ignore. So watch this video to the end, as you'll be learning a lot of things, a lot of hidden requirements that a lot of new creators are ignorant of, which is very important because missing one of these requirements can actually stall your monetization process. Now, your Google account must be fully secured and verified. Like your two-step verification has to be enabled in your Google account. This is very important because YouTube wants to protect payments and advertisers. Okay, it's going into security 100%. And also, your phone number must also be verified. This is important because it allows YouTube to activate advanced features and tools on your YouTube channel. It also allows ad revenue activation as well as monetization features. So if the phone number that is attached to your YouTube channel is not verified, you will not be able to have access to these things. And this is going to stall and delay your monetization process. So all these are part of initial channel setup when you just created your channel. But unfortunately, a lot of creators have been posting videos for months. They still have not set up their two-step verification. They still have not verified their phone number that is attached to their channel. So all these things have to be put in place. And the other requirement is approved AdSense account. This is important because without a verified AdSense account, your monetization is just going to halt. Is just going to be on pause because you need your AdSense account to actually cash out on YouTube. Now, you have to also ensure that your AdSense account is in good standing. You have to make sure your legal name is complete, is exactly the same way it appears in your ID card, your driver's license, in your passport, and so on and so forth. So the names in your AdSense account has to be your legal name. They has to correspond with any legal documents that you intend on using to verify the account. Because once it's time for you to verify your AdSense account, some documents are required, so make sure the names that are appearing on those documents, it could be your ID card, your driver's license, your passport. So the names on your AdSense account has to be identical with the ones on your legal documents. Don't even joke with that because if there is any mismatch, this can also delay your monetization process. Now let's talk about age and location eligibility. So if you are under 18 years old, unfortunately, you won't be able to monetize on YouTube. If you do insist on getting monetized, you will need a legal guardian, like someone who is an adult, to stand in for you. And also, as for location, you have to reside in a country that is eligible. If you find yourself in a country that is not eligible, you won't be able to monetize your channel. So if you want to find out which countries are eligible for YouTube monetization, I'm sure if you go to Google and ask Google will be able to provide a list of eligible countries for you. So before you even start creating a channel, you have to first of all find out this information. If the country you are residing in is eligible for YouTube monetization. And of course, the other requirement is your channel review and requirement. So this is going into Once you apply for monetization, the next thing YouTube is going to do is to head over to your channel and do a proper review. So your recent uploads are going to be reviewed, the consistency on your channel are going to be reviewed, and this is where they check if your channel is violating any of their policy in any way. And also they will check your originality, how authentic are you. All right, so all these things is what YouTube are going to look into. Once you hit that apply for monetization button, they will really review your channel from A to Z. So that is why before you even go ahead and hit that apply for monetization button, you have to do a proper clean up. Review your old videos, review your descriptions, your titles, your thumbnail, check if they match the current YouTube monetization policy. Check if they match the current YouTube requirements, okay? Because, for example, we have July 15th update that was announced last year, 2025. Perhaps you've been creating videos on your channel for the past 2-3 years, and as at then, different policies applied to everyone. But now, because of the recent update of policy change and everything, it is always wise to review your channel before you actually go ahead and hit that monetization button. Hitting the numbers is not just enough for you to hurriedly go and apply for monetization. All these things I mentioned are important for you to check if you meet everything before you even go ahead and apply for monetization. And of course, the other requirement that we all know that we are all striving for is to hit the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. Or if you are planning to monetize with your shorts, you need to hit 10 million views in the space of 90 days and also 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so and in doing all of this, make sure that you are not reusing content on your channel and you are not producing low effort or mass produced content on your channel, especially if you are a faceless channel, because this is one of the biggest mistakes that new creators are currently making, because we have a lot of faceless channels right now and we don't even know when we are, producing repetitive content and low effort content. If you want to have a better understanding of what repetitive content is going into, I have a video on that topic that you can watch. You can see the thumbnail on the screen. When you have time, go to my channel and watch that video, take notes, and make sure you are not making obvious mistakes. If you have gained anything so far from this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel for more useful content like this. And also, if you are new here, my name is Angela and I am the face behind the channel, and I am always happy to bring you useful updates, content, and YouTube growth strategies, YouTube tutorials that will help you grow faster here on YouTube. Now, before I close, I'd like us to go through a checklist, okay? If you have a note and pen, jot this down. Checklist, okay? Before you apply for monetization, make sure you have this checklist. If you meet all these checklists, then you have better chances of doing what? Getting approved for monetization. So before you apply for monetization, double check the following. Number 1, 1,000 subscribers. Is that a check? Then the second one, your 4,000 watch hours. Is that a check? And then, do you have any active strikes? If yes, make sure you don't have any active strikes on your channel before you go ahead and apply for monetization. And then the next one is ensure that you are creating original content, okay? Original content, no low effort, no reuse content, no mass produced content. Stay with original content. And then the next one, make sure your two-step verification is enabled on your Google account. Very important, okay? And then the next one is your phone number is verified. And then the last but not the least, but for today, the last is you have an approved AdSense account. It's always advisable for you to have one AdSense account per person. Let's be careful and let's stick with one AdSense account that is approved. Make sure your legal documents, the names on your legal documents are identical on your AdSense account. Very important. So monetization is not just all about growth, it's also about security, compliance, and trust. So if this video helped you in any way, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know where you are at right now in your monetization journey. And let's support each other. Let's support each other. So let us know in the comment section what's your niche and what type of content do you create. And guys, just only go and subscribe to any channel that is of interest to you. There is no need of subscribing to a channel where you become a dormant subscriber, okay? Because that is also not good for that channel. So always subscribe to channels that really interest you, channels that are producing videos that you like, that you would watch on a good day, all right? So let's support each other genuinely. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to get back to you with an answer. Next time, bye bye for now.